Ah, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to everyone. Pick up on yourself. And God is good and His mercy endured forever. Yes, sometimes I feel like the Spirit tell me just to like talk calm, talk slow, breathe, breathe. Damn, my belly nothing. That's crazy. I'm gonna drink some tea. And I said, talk calm, be still. Yeah, man. So pick up on yourself. But one thing I can tell a lot of people say, abuse is not a nice thing. And it's just not a nice thing. Abuse is not a nice thing. Abuse is something that really could really put you in a situation of depression. Abuse is terrible. You know, a lot of people might say this and say that, but at the end of the day, it's your life. And you live the life you love and the way you please God. Not just the way you please man, but the way you please God. Because man is nobody to be pleased. But God is. Because when man will fail, God will never fail you. So ever please God if you can't please nobody. You understand me? To say this and to say that, remember when I was much younger, you know. I was much younger, man, yeah. And it's like, my mother gone a foreign. I'm around one place they called St. Margaret's Bay, you know. And my sister come around there for me, you know, because my mother they gone and I run away and come back. My sister come for me and came one place named Bybrook. When I reach at the place named Bybrook, I first time I go there because I never know the place. She stopped me in one yard, one concrete house down a yard there. On the front of the road there. For our houses when you go up one bush. Go way up on one bush. Up on like a hill, that's alright, so she lives. So you have to walk down to the big road. So she said that with people when she stopped by for her husband, for her husband, father and mother. Because they have a big concrete house and they were grandparents sitting down there. Also who was living there was the husband's sister. So when she get there, you know, she never bothered bring me to the house. Because she was going to go by her friend. When her friend mother passed, they have set up over the Crossway River. So she said she going to go over there. She not come back till probably a morning. So she said she not going to lift me up at the house. She going to lift me down by the by for them house. So she tell the girl, which is her sister-in-law, her husband's sister, say, my sister stay in your room with you and sleep with you in there. Then time there me around 13, you know. Make your sister sleep in the room. And so and so. And she say, alright, and she left. And she have a young baby. The girl have a young baby. She have a young baby. One brown skin girl. I never forget a girl named Janet. Yeah. And it's like, me gone on my bed. And all us gone over, we close the door. But you know what, also Jamaica, they used to have this big window glass where you can't walk up, you can take out the blade of the window them. Yeah, out to the veranda, so the veranda light and so it cannot shine through the room. So even though the room dark, you know, that dark, cause the light a shine through, you know. And she turn off the light and we gone to bed. She put the baby in the middle on the bed. And me dey on one side. And she dey on one side and me fall asleep. And sleeping and me sleep become like a dream, you know. Like me having a terrible nightmare. Me say the nightmare terrible, you know, ma. Me say the nightmare terrible me have, you know. And when me walk me eye to surprise is not a nightmare. The whole place in a pitch darkness. Me don't know where the light gone out of the veranda. And there is a man on top of me. And me try to fight off and the man have a knife on my throat and tell me say, he going cut off my throat. He going slit my throat if me not stop. And he say he going rape me. And me say the man rape me, me tell you, you know. The man rape me and nearly kill me, man strangle me, you know. Till all my neck swell out, you know. And when the man done doing business, the man gone. And me tell you, say me couldn't sleep. Me don't know where the girl and the baby gone. Then disappear and gone. Me don't know where them they. When morning light, it was blood drops all over the house. My sister said she don't know where blood drop come from. There's a lot of blood drop. I wouldn't tell nobody what happened to me. I was so surprised that I was in a shock. I go down at the river for go be here and couldn't wash me tun. The way he bust up on me in a pain. You hear me tell you? And so I see one boy and I tell the boy, where the family to them, say me get raped and me left the area and me walk all the way up much miles. Tiptoe, walk miles out of my mind. And go back round my yard from my mama they left me. When they abuse me. And go down the bush, go sit down on one rock. Still shaking. And when my sister husband come and say, come to me carry me go a doctor. And tell them, say, you know, she been raped and she not tell nobody. And me come fear to come carry her go a doctor. So then come and get me. That was something I see I could never forget. The boy named Rennie from Bybrook. I was a wicked motherfucker. I hope him suffer. I hope him live to see that me still alive and him going to suffer for what him do. For rape me when I was 13 years old. Yes, man, some wicked people out there. And them still really nasty and bad. And when people abuse you, a man abuse you. You can't have your woman and your cuss her. You can't have your woman and your shun her and treat her bad. And then when you're ready to go in a bed, you go turn her over and touch her and put your penis in her and make love. You have to treat the other woman kind other times. That means if you're ready to get something from her, she have at peace with you. She in a good mood with you. You can't treat a man like animal. I expect a woman going lay up with you. And suck on a dick and all kind of fuckery. Because when a woman done abuse and finish ring, me have a way about me. I always think every man come to me for hurt me. Me not trust none of them. Me not trust none of them. Me never true what me go through, what me been through, what the abuse me been through. You know, me been through a lot of abuse. One day me I cook some chicken back up at the house there, you know. And my mother yard for me and my sister and brother the whole week. I used to be the cook for me young. And me say me I store the curry chicken back pan the fire, you know. Because I'm me a cookie. Me done cook the pot of bright rice. With some lagwood when me go bush go chop, you know, lagwood hard for cut. And get the lagwood them and carry them home because lagwood take long for burn out. And I make the little curry chicken back. And I taste, me take out the piece of batty part there so and throw in my mouth. And when my brother come and see me, I say, why you yam out the chicken back for? Me say, me nah yam out nothing. And that time the piece fly out of my mouth. Him say, what is that? Me say, me that taste and he take a machete, you see. And beat me back with a machete up till this day. Me still have a mark put me back from the machete, you know. Me still feel pain up till this day from the machete, you know. You have some wicked fucker. When a woman abuse, she not trust nobody. And sometimes you mustn't trust nobody. Because some of them too blasted and fucking wicked. That what me have to tell you.